Yes, I want to fry some fish, and today I want to show you how I mix my feeds. I have ugali remain here, I have my growers mash and rice remains. So this with me, I have the medicine that I use for my ends. So I'll take 2 handful growers mash, 1, add another one. After that, I'll just stew the remaining feeds. Something weird is something weird has just happened, and I need to take it to normalcy before things. Yes, I'll now gather with me the 3 things: ugali remain, rice remain, and my growers mash. Check it that way. Mix it. Mix it. Take ugali, place them, mix them. I'll continuously do this. Do this continuously until it's mixed. It's not that mixed uniformly. So since it is not fully mixed, I'll pour water then it is mixed. I think it is mixed 80%. So another thing I'll do, I'll take this of my medicine. The reason why I'm mixing this medicine, this help in their guts. There are some blockages that are happening if they eat some stony products. So I'll mix the medicine with me. Pour a little water, just a little like that. Mix it. I'll close my medicine very well. Take a jug of water, my feeds, these two things. Carry them with me. Here we go. I'll pour a little water. Remove the stone. This stone helps this container so that when the hen jump onto it, the water yani maji hizi mwagika kwa haraka. So I'm trying to clean it, and the hens are also, they have realized that something's sweet. Then put this stone like this. This is their tray. This acts as their tray. I'll take it with me. Confirm if they did some dirty thing. Remove them. Remove any dust. Do it that way. Then pour your feeds bit by bit. You see how they love it. They really love this feed. So they will eat the feed, drink the water, eat the feed. In my farm, I also have these animals, these birds. Let me push this thing a bit so that I can get the space. In my farm, I have these birds. These are doves. Let me catch one in a count of 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm targeting this bird. Imagine I'm targeting that bird, and he's now curious. Look at this bird. That one. This is a male dove. So this is how they lay their eggs, in this That is how they lay their eggs. So as you can see, these are guinea fowls eggs. So I gave one of my hen to brood. See, they really love it. So that they take the wood. This is the nest. Wow, let me show you. This bird has definitely laid eggs there, and it's brooding finely. Wow. So that's how my farm is, my village farm.